Did you know, Windows 11 has several built-in features that most users never use? These hidden tools can help you work faster, access special symbols, check your hardware information, and even make Windows easier to use. In this video, I'll show you 5 useful hidden Windows 11 features that every user should know. Let's get started. Is your desktop cluttered with files and shortcuts? Windows 11 lets you hide all desktop icons with just a few clicks. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop. Select View. Click Show Desktop Icons. When the checkmark disappears, all desktop icons will be hidden. Don't worry, your files are not deleted. They are simply hidden from view. To bring them back, repeat the same steps and enable Show Desktop Icons again. This is perfect when you're presenting your screen or want a cleaner desktop. Need to type symbols like copyright symbol, euro, or emojis. You don't need to search Google every time. Open Windows Search and type character map. Show all symbols. Now you can quickly insert currency symbols, mathematical signs, copyright symbols, arrows, special punctuation marks. It's a huge time saver for students, office users, and content creators. Windows includes many optional features that are disabled by default. To access them, press Windows plus R. Type Optional Features. Then press Enter. The Windows Features window will appear. From here, you can enable or disable features such as Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Sandbox, Hyper-V, Net Framework, Legacy Tools. Simply check or uncheck the feature you want and click OK. Windows will install or remove the selected feature automatically. Don't have a physical keyboard available? Windows includes a built-in virtual keyboard. To open it, press Windows plus R. Type OSK. Then press Enter. The on-screen keyboard will appear instantly. You can type using your mouse, touch screen, or touchpad. This feature is especially useful for touchscreen devices, accessibility needs, or troubleshooting keyboard issues. Want to know how fast your RAM is running? No need to install any software. Here's how. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. To open Task Manager, click the Performance tab. Select Memory from the left panel. Look for the Speed section. And those are 5 hidden Windows 11 features that can make your daily computer use faster and easier. Which feature was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.